Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Daily Life English. It's great to have you here with us today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share this episode with your friends. Today's topic is going to make you really hungry because we're diving into something absolutely delicious: street food markets around the world.
Haha, yes! I hope everyone's ready for some food talk, because once we start describing the smells, the flavors, and the sounds of street food, you'll probably want to grab a snack while listening. So, Amma, where should we begin our foodie adventure today?
Let's start somewhere close to our hearts: Asia. Street food in Asia is like a full-on experience. It's not just about eating, it's about feeling the energy of the streets, the colors, the people, the sizzling sounds of woks and grills.
Absolutely. I still remember the first time I went to Bangkok's Chattachak market. Oh man, the smell of grilled meat, spicy noodles, mango sticky rice. It was like walking through a cloud of flavor.
I can imagine that. Thailand is such a paradise for street food lovers. You get everything from pad thai cooked right in front of you to som tam, that spicy papaya salad that wakes you right up.
Oh, yes, some Tom. I once tried the extra spicy version. Big mistake. My lips went numb, but I couldn't stop eating because it was so good.
That's the thing about street food. It's raw, it's bold, it's real. There's something so alive about standing by the street, watching someone cook with passion. You feel connected to the culture, to the people, to the city itself.
Exactly. And each country has its own rhythm. Like in Vietnam, the morning streets are full of tiny stools, little steam clouds rising from bowls of pho. People start their day with noodles and coffee. Can you imagine a better combo?
Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk, right? Sweet, strong, and perfect for early mornings. And those banh mi sandwiches, crispy bread, fresh herbs, and that little spicy kick. So simple, yet so flavorful.
You know what's fun about street food? It's always changing. You can go to the same market twice and find something totally new. New stalls, new recipes, new smells.
Yes! And the best part? It's so affordable. You can literally eat a full meal for a few dollars. And sometimes that meal ends up tasting better than fancy restaurant food.
Totally agree. Let's talk about Japan next. The night markets there are amazing. You walk down narrow alleys lit with red lanterns, and suddenly you're surrounded by the smell of takoyaki, those little octopus balls sizzling on the iron pan.
Yes, and yakitori skewers, little pieces of grilled chicken with sweet soy glaze, and people standing around chatting while eating. It's such a warm and friendly vibe, even though it's a big city.
Exactly. And then in Osaka, they say, eat until you drop. That's literally their food motto.
That's true. I love that in Japan, food is treated with so much care and respect. Even street food looks like art. Everything is presented beautifully.
And speaking of presentation, let's jump to South Korea. Their street food scene is next level. Colorful, spicy, fun. It's like a food carnival.
Oh, yes. Tteokbokki. Those chewy rice cakes in spicy red sauce, so addictive. And hot dog, the sweet pancakes filled with brown sugar and nuts, so perfect for cold weather.
And the sound of vendors shouting, hot dog, while flipping pancakes, that's music to a foodie's ears.
Yes. Every food market has its own music, its own soul. You can close your eyes, listen to the sounds, and know exactly where you are.
That's so true. And you know what?
street food isn't just about eating, it's about sharing. Sharing a table, a smile, a conversation with strangers.
Exactly. Food brings people together. Even if you don't speak the same language, a good meal says everything.
Let's head to India for a bit. The street food there is pure chaos, but in the best way possible. Spices everywhere, colors exploding, people laughing, cars honking, and in the middle of it all, a vendor making chaat.
Ah, yes. Pani puri, bel puri, samosas. It's like a flavor explosion in every bite. Crispy, tangy, spicy, all at once.
I once burned my tongue trying to eat a hot samosa right out of the oil, but honestly, totally worth it.
I can imagine that. And then you cool down with a cup of masala chai, right? That spicy milk tea with ginger and cardamom. Perfect balance after all that heat.
Yes, every country has that comfort drink that completes the street food experience. In India, it's chai. In Thailand, it's iced tea. In Japan, maybe matcha or sake. And in Cambodia, I'd say it's sugarcane juice.
Oh, yes, fresh sugarcane juice. They crush it right there in front of you, pour it over ice. So refreshing in the heat.
Cambodian street food is amazing too. You've got namban chok, Khmer noodles, grilled beef sticks, and those fried bananas. Simple, but so delicious.
Yes, and balut for the brave ones. Some people are scared to try it, but locals love it. That's what makes travel exciting, discovering what people eat and understanding why they love it.
Exactly. And street food always tells a story about history, culture, and daily life. It's like reading a city through its food.
Well said. You can learn more from a food market than from a museum sometimes. It's alive. It's real. It's right there in front of you.
Speaking of learning, do you remember when we went to Taiwan's night market last year? That was wild.
Oh, yes. Shilin Night Market. The smell of stinky tofu everywhere. Unforgettable. At first, I was like, no way I'm eating that. But then I tried it. And it wasn't that bad, actually.
I remember your face. You looked terrified, but then surprised. That's the power of curiosity. Sometimes the weirdest food becomes your new favorite.
Exactly. Food adventures are about being open-minded. You never know what you might fall in love with.
And the people who cook, they put so much heart into it. Sometimes it's a family recipe passed down for generations that makes each bite even more special.
Yes, that human connection makes street food magical. You're not just paying for food, you're paying for a moment of someone's life, their passion, their culture.
Wow, that's beautifully said. You should write that down somewhere.
Maybe I will. So, Jack, if you had to pick one street food to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Ooh, tough question. But I think pad thai. It's sweet, salty, tangy, and satisfying. A perfect balance. What about you?
I'd go for pho. It's comforting, warm, and full of soul. You can eat it any time of day, and it always feels like home.
Good choice. Okay, so we've traveled around Asia. Maybe now we should hop to Europe for a bit.
Yes, let's go. Europe has a different kind of street food culture. Less spicy maybe, but still full of flavor.
Like in Italy, fresh pizza slices, arancini, gelato. You can walk down any street and find something tasty.
And in Spain, tapas and churros. Oh, those churros dipped in chocolate, heaven.
Yes. And Germany has bratwurst sausages and pretzels, perfect for cold nights with a drink in hand.
In France, crepes. I could live on crepes alone, sweet or savory. They're always perfect.
You know what I love most? No matter where you go, people gather around food. That energy, laughter, smell, taste, it's universal.
Absolutely. Street food unites us all. It reminds us that joy can be found in the simplest moments.
Beautifully said. And that's what we love sharing on Daily Life English. Real-life conversations, culture, and the beauty of everyday life.
Yes. So if you enjoyed this chat, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. Your support really means a lot to us. It helps us keep exploring and bringing you stories from around the world.
Thank you so much for joining us on today's food journey. We hope you're inspired to go explore your local street food market. Try something new, talk to a vendor, taste the world.
Exactly. Food is love. Food is connection. And food is life. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time.
Stay curious, stay hungry.
And keep learning English with Daily Life English. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.